everybody, Miss TJ here today. I'm gonna show you how to make a rain stick with some simple supplies that you should have at home. So this is what mine looks like, and when you turn it end to end, it sounds like rain if you do it slowly. So here's the supplies. What you need to start with is a paper towel tube, a cardboard tube out of a roll of paper towel, and some tin foil, and that's what we'll start with. We're going to take off about a 10-inch piece of tin foil, and we're going to roll that up and kind of make it a little stick. So not too small. And then you can use a broom handle, but this was easier for me to transport, and it's just a curtain rod for a shower curtain. And we're going to wrap that tin foil around the curtain rod or the broomstick. So you have some big curls in it, like that. And then we're going to get another piece of tin foil about 7 inches long. And we're going to wrap this one up tighter than that first one. We're going to make it like a string or a piece of yarn. This is really important to do this. Just like this, because this is what makes it sound like rain. So this one's going to be a lot skinnier, and then we're going to wrap it around the handle of the wooden spoon. Because it's eventually going to fit inside the other one that we wrapped up. So you want to crimp it on there pretty tight so it holds its shape. Put that in there together. So one's just inside, the little one's inside the big one, and then it's going to go inside the tube just like that. See how it fits in there. But we need to make an end cap on this end so our rain, which is rice, stays in there. So we're going to draw a circle around the tube with a pencil. Just trace the end of the tube, and we're going to need 2 of them because we have 2 ends. And this doesn't have to be exact. And then we're going to, I'm going to mark that so you can see it. So there. And now we're going to draw a bigger circle around that. So just with your pencil, just draw a bigger circle around that. And then we're going to cut that out. Okay, we're going to take one of those, and then we're just going to take the scissors and cut right to the edge of the dark circle that we had there. So we're just going to cut right up to that circle right there. And then that is going to go on the end of our tube like this. And that's where the tape comes in. We want to tape this up really good so our rice stays in there. Make sure we don't have any holes up here. Otherwise it'll be raining on the floor. Okay, now we're going to make sure it's stuck to the tube. So make sure you have plenty of tape before you start your project. Because you're going to have to do the tape the other end too. Alright. So, tape that down. So now we're ready to put the tin foil in. So there's our tin foil. And here's our rice, and you may need a funnel for this, so you don't have rice all over. And that's about a quarter cup of rice. Okay. And now we're going to do the same with this end. We're going to cut just to the line, the circle, and make little flaps. So it will lay down on the tube fairly nicely. So if I want to put the black mark on the down side by the tube so it doesn't show when we get done. Smooth it down and start taping. Kind of helps to tape it to the tube as you go along so it stays down and stays in place. And it doesn't matter if it's even, you can just crinkle it up. Okay. Now all we have to do is decorate it. Because the rain's already making the rain sound. And I got this piece of paper that will cover it, but I only need half of it. So I'm just going to cut it in two. And that will depend on what size tube you use to make this with. How much paper you need. But you just need a piece of colored paper. And now we're going to tape that on here too. Now if you have some washi tape at home, washi tape's pretty and it makes a much prettier design like I did on my original one. I just used washi tape to decorate it with. And help hold the cut piece of paper in place. So you have our tape on our tube. We've taped our paper to the tube and it's all ready to decorate. So I just put a little piece of scrap paper I had around the top here. Here's some more. You could make bands on here. You can cut up shapes and take a glue stick and stick them on. And this is washi tape. Washi tape is just sticky colored tape that has patterns on it. It comes all different kinds of designs and stuff. So we could put a strip of sticky washi tape right around the middle. Like that. You can write your name on it, decorate it any way you want. But in the end, you get to hear rain.